Tom Billadair, the editor of PolitiFact.com. PolitiFact is a fact-checking website where we research claims by politicians and people in the media and then rate them on our truthometer as true, half-true, false, or our lowest rating, pants on fire. Our friends at YouTube asked us to share with you some tips about how we fact-check. Fact-checking is especially important these days because we get our news from so many different sources, from cable television, from news sites on the web, from blogs, and often, if you're like me, you find yourself wondering, is that true? And so that's really what fact-checking is all about. So let's start with the basics. The first thing is to go to the person who made the claim and ask them for their source. It's important first to give them an opportunity to explain their case, why they made the claim that they did, but also that can help you in fact-checking. By knowing what their source is, it can help you zero in on where you're going to begin your research. Now that doesn't mean necessarily that the claim is true, but it gives you a place to start. Then go to other sources to verify the claim. This is where it's important to pick the right sources. We try to go beyond just getting a news story about a government report or a government statistic and try to find the original report. We prefer independent sources like the Government Accountability Office, the Congressional Budget Office, and the reports of the Congressional Research Service, because they're all independent, nonpartisan, and they provide good, objective, original research. And while we're talking about sources, here's an important principle to remember. Love and fear the internet. I'm reminded of a headline in The Onion, the satirical newspaper, that reported once, "Factual error found on internet. Shocking but true." That was 2002, and there have probably been a few errors found since then. Another source to be careful about is Wikipedia. We love Wikipedia and often go to it first when we're researching an issue.